So in this Questrade tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to purchase fractional shares of a stock here through Questrade. So recently Questrade came out with the option that many people of course are a fan of now, and that is that you can purchase fractional shares of a stock. Now to do this, it works the exact same way as normal. Go to the bottom left, press on buy and sell. Once you're here, go to the top and search a symbol. Now, you can't do this for every single stock at the moment, but for example, if you were to go to Apple stocks, type in ticker symbol AAPL, and you want to buy fractional shares of Apple stock, go ahead here. Now, at the top right where it says fractional, it is in blue. That means that you can purchase fractional shares. So once you have your stock, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Now, once you're here at the top, it'll take a couple seconds to load. Right now, it actually does have a limit order, but if you were to go ahead and change this, as you can tell where it says market order, this works for fractional shares and whole shares. Press on market order. Now, once you're here, I think you can do a minimum of $1. So if I were to go ahead and do $1 right here, that is equivalent to 0.0049 shares. So once that is done, you can go to the bottom and review the order. You can also change this to whatever you want. Go to the bottom, review the order, and then go through the process that way. Now, this also does work with some other stocks. So for example, if you were to go to Walmart stock right here, as you can tell in the top right, it does work. Now, where it doesn't work, if you were to go to, let's just say search up ticker symbol SPY for the SPY, the ETF, as you can tell, this actually does work as well. So fractional ETFs, which is great. If you want to do, let's say VFV for instance, via v.to. In this case, it doesn't work because the fractional option isn't there. But long story short, that's how you guys can purchase fractional shares through Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.